Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. Today we will start our next blog, Ben's Christmas Wish, and we will learn to ask questions about stories. Here, look at some pictures and form few questions. Looking at the first picture, we can see the story is probably about a boy named Ben and his Christmas wish. As you see here in this picture, he is a boy. His name is Ben and he is making a snowman. Now we can see here the title of the story also, Ben's Christmas Wish. Now next picture. In this picture we can see luggage are kept in a room, which means somebody is going to somewhere. In the next picture, in this picture we can see a boy Ben is decorating a Christmas tree and prepare a snowman with the man who might be his father. Ben एक क्रिसमस ट्री को सजा रहा है और एक स्नोमैन तैयार कर रहा है एक आदमी की हेल्प से जो उसके पापा हो सकते हैं. Now in the next picture, when we can see here, Ben is very excited to meet a man. Ben एक पर्सन को देखकर बहुत एक्साइटेड होता है, उनको बहुत खुशी होती है. Now what are some questions you have about this story after seeing these pictures and the title? Dear students, इन पिक्चर्स को देखकर और इस स्टोरी के टाइटल को देख के आपके मन में कुछ क्वेश्चंस आ रहे होंगे. Now we will read that questions. I will read that questions before reading the story. What is Ben doing? When is Christmas celebrated? What type of clothes is Ben wearing? Ben किस तरह के कपड़े पहनता है? How is the weather? Weather कैसा है? What is Ben doing? Ben क्या कर रहा है? Now, to give the answer of these questions, let's read the story. Now, let's read the story. In the first paragraph, we can see Ben was sad. Dad was going away on work all the way from England to Australia. He wouldn't be home for Christmas. See children, in this lesson we are talking about a boy called Ben. इस लेसन में हम एक लड़के के बारे में बात करेंगे जिसका नाम है Ben. And Ben is missing his father badly because his father moving to Australia and he is not there for Christmas festival. उसके पापा किसी काम के लिए ऑस्ट्रेलिया जा रहे हैं और वो वहाँ क्रिसमस मनाने के लिए उसके साथ नहीं रहेंगे. So the boy is missing his father very much. Now next paragraph. Ben loved decorating the Christmas tree with dad. Ben को अपने पापा के साथ क्रिसमस ट्री को सजाना बहुत पसंद है. Decorate mean सजाना. They would build a snowman together. वो दोनों मिलके snowman बनाते हैं. The boy is saying, if my father is there at my home for Christmas festival, we used to decorate Christmas tree and make or prepare a snowman also. So like this, with my father, I enjoy the Christmas festival very much. But now he is moving to abroad. परंतु अभी वो विदेश जा रहे हैं. So he is very sad. इसलिए वो बहुत उदास है. But not this time. When waved goodbye as dad left for the airport. परंतु इस बार वो ऐसा नहीं कर सकेगा. When अपने पापा को गुड बाय बोलता है और डैड उसको एयरपोर्ट के लिए निकलते हैं. इट्स ओके बेन, सेड मॉम. मम्मी कहती हैं इट्स ओके, वी विल स्टिल हैव फन. हम अभी भी इंजॉय कर सकते हैं. बेन मेड अ फेस. बेन चेहरा बनाता है. नाउ फन विदाउट डैड. पापा के बिना मजा. वाई डोंट यू राइट अ लेटर टू सेंटा क्लॉज, सेड मॉम. मॉम ने कहा कि तुम सेंटा क्लॉज को लेटर क्यों नहीं लिखते. What did he want for Christmas? वो क्रिसमस के लिए क्या चाहता है. A car, a train set, a puppy, chocolate cake, new shoes. The boy is thinking here about the toys. Now he wanted all of these. Here, as you see in this picture, he wanted all of these, but most of all he wanted dad to be home. परंतु सबसे ज़्यादा वो चाहता है कि उसके पापा उसके साथ रहें. As you see in this picture, he is thinking just about his father. Now, when wrote his letter to Santa, when अपने when Santa को एक लेटर लिखता है, he put it under his pillow, then he shut his eyes and wished hard. फिर Ben उसको अपने तकिए के नीचे रखता है और अपनी आंखें बंद करता है और सच्चे मन से विश करता है. In the last paragraph, the next morning, when Ben was eating breakfast, he heard a car coming in. Who could it be? नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग जब Ben अपना ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहा था, उसने एक कार की आवाज़ सुनी. उसने सोचा कौन हो सकता है. इट वॉज डैड. जे उसके पापा थे. Ben couldn't believe it. Ben बिलीव नहीं कर सका. It was snowing too much, said Dad. Dad बोले in this weather the flights can't fly. इस मौसम में फ्लाइट्स फ्लाई नहीं कर सकती. So we couldn't fly in this weather. Jippy, said Van. Van बहुत खुश हो गया. His wish had come true. उसकी विश पूरी हो गई. And that Christmas, Van and Dad built the biggest snowman ever. उस क्रिसमस में वैन और उसके पापा ने मिलकर बहुत बड़ा स्नोमैन बनाया. Now, like this, the story ends with the happy ending. So, this is the story Van's Christmas wish. Did you like it, dear students? When I was starting the story, I asked two different questions about the story. जब मैंने स्टोरी स्टार्ट की थी तो मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछे थे. Now I will answer for those questions. What is Van doing? When is Christmas celebrated? What type of clothes is Van wearing? How is the weather? See children, here all questions start with the what, when, where, what, when, where, how. These are the questioning words. Now, what is Van doing? Van क्या कर रहा है? Van is making a snowman. When is Christmas celebrated? Christmas is celebrated in the month of July. What type of clothes is Van wearing? Van is wearing woolen clothes. How is the weather? Weather is very cold, very snowy. Hope students you understood about the questioning words and about these questions also, and about you understood better about this story. Now here are some word meanings. Christmas, a festival celebrating Jesus Christ's birthday. we use the this word in a sentence to understand better. Every Christmas we buy a big tree from the market. Believe to think of something as true. The policeman didn't believe his story. Decorate means सजाना, to make something look more beautiful. किसी चीज़ को और ज़्यादा सुंदर बनाना. The room was decorated with balloons on his birthday. Shut, to close something like a door or a window. Can you please shut the window? Together, in or into a group. They climb the stairs together. Wish, to hope for something. To hope for something that is not easy to get. I wish I fly to the moon. Hope students you understood these word meanings, and now you learn this story loudly, and you read this story loudly and learn these word meanings. Hope students you understood very well. Thank you.